say in my presentations, moving forward, a concept will come as the Ghazan qualities. And I think movies will be made about them. Superheroes will be named after them, because they have shown what was only in books and in fairy tales almost. Courage that you can't fathom when a child, 5 years old, 6-year-old, little girl, is able to face a fully grown soldier with his weapon hanging by his side and his machete down his arm, and yet she stares at him eye to eye without batting an eyelid and without an iota of fear in her voice. That's heart, and that's courage, and how they are able to live in the conditions that they're living in. I saw a little girl, and she tugs at my heart each time I see her, telling the world through the camera that you don't even need to send us food. When we are hungry, we will eat our blessed soil. Like such independence and